Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordan Bikes. Today I've got for sale this lovely Suzuki GSXS1000F. Really nice, colourful bike. Is this all in white? Definitely be seen on this one. So this one is a 2017 on a 17 plate, and it's only done 567 miles from new. Super clean, low mileage bike. Looks like it just rolled out of the factory. So as standard, this comes with adjustable traction control. It's got ABS. It's got the Renthal fat bars as standard. Digital speedo, which you can see as coming up to now. But just a good all-round bike. You can play on the back roads. You can go touring on it. You can do whatever you want. You, your missus, you, your husband, go playing on back roads and go wherever you want. Give it a fire up. Sounds pretty cheeky with that standard exhaust on as well. Anyway, so what are you waiting for? Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes and get this little beauty bought. We'll see you soon. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.